Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make a sticker on TikTok. And this is very simple if you do the following things. Alright, I found the video that I want to use for my sticker, and that is this video. If you go to the arrow right in our screen and we go a bit to the right, there's the option that says create sticker. But keep in mind, not every content creator has allowed to use the sticker option. So now it's available, so tap on create sticker, select the piece of the video that we want to use. So I want to use this, then do crop, tap on create sticker. And then done. And now if you go to our profile, there is the sticker option in our screen. So if you tap on sticker, you will see the sticker that we just made. And now if you hold that or tap on that, we can send it to friends, we can view the original video, or we can hide it from profile and store, or we can delete it. This is exactly how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and thanks for watching.